Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about Python generators. Generators is a new concept in Python language, which is a very pretty much easy and to write the utilization to handle of the program in internal steps also. Now see here in simple words, create a generator in Python. Yield is a keyword is defining a normal function instead of a written statement. Simply earlier we have seen the function is a written keyword. Instead of written keyword, we need to use yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Y-I-E-L-D. This is just a second. It's not typing here. This is the keyword we need to use instead of written. We can call it as an generators. Python that is used to return from a function without disturbing and without destroying the state of its local variable, and when it is the function is called. The execution starts from the last yield statement. Any function that contains the yield keyword is written it is as a generator. If you understand, if we use the function as a written keyword, once the return is written some value, function will automatically terminates and returns the value. Whereas generators, instead of written keyword, yield keyword will be there. We can call it as that function is a generator, and yield what it will do on every iteration, it will returns the value without disturbing that execution and terminating that functionality and the position like execution mode and all. It won't disturb. It will returns the value wherever you require on internals. That is the way generators are they have introduced in this Python language. Simple generator like a generators function we will see here by declaring a simple program. Now declaration of a function is in a my program. And now for the n is in a value I'm taking it's in a 1, and this is in a print statement I'm taking for here. This is a printed first. This is printed first. Simple. To understanding the generators, I'm writing like this. Okay. Now here the containing yield statement. Generator is containing yield statement like YIELD yield. It's a keyword and like a return and n I'm returning here. Right. And the next line what I'm writing here n plus or equal to concatenating and raising one value. Print here with this is the printed second. This is the printed first. This is printed second here. And now yield I am again returning n. Like yield I am using to returning n. And what is the next line? It is the printed last. So take simply copy of these lines and paste over there. Yep. And now this is the text you need to change is in a last as much as simple and written. Now using for loop to reading what is the positions of n here. All right, in my program if I called using for loop, and I will treat it as a first position what is my n value, and second position what is my n, and third position what is it. It will see here. For a statement instance item in what is my function name is my underscore program, and simply print item. That's it. You run it and you will know about how the yield, if it is returned this function, if it is written here, it should be required to stop if it is in a function written character, that keyword. It's not in a function, it's in a generator. On every iteration it will be returns the value, and it will throw you in the next level, and it will continues the functionality. See, now run this. Now see here. This is the first printed, the value is 1. Second printed, the value is 2. Third printed, the value is 3. Have you seen clearly? That is what? This is the generators is very much pretty useful while writing different multiple complex IT programs without stopping and without disturbing the loop to keep on continuing the visualizations and more help you can study about the Python updated libraries and Python documentation to know more about the Python generators. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.